No one knows how this innocent kitten ended up trapped inside the wheel of a moving truck. He was completely terrified and wouldn't let anyone get close, so we offered him some food first to calm him down. Surrounded by the loud traffic and crowd, he was desperately trying to hold on for his life, but rescuing him from the tight spot inside the wheel was incredibly difficult and risky. After a long struggle, we carefully pulled him out using a cloth. The moment he was safe in our arms, he finally stopped crying. Now he is perfectly healthy and living a beautiful and loving home.